Why 50-plus channels are crushing the giants. 4. What if your next video could double your subscribers without a single ad, shout-out, or lucky break? Curious? There's a hidden formula working behind every viral success story. Not just better thumbnails or trendy music, but something deeper, a psychological spark that triggers the need to click, watch, and share. Every creator wants growth. But few understand that YouTube's algorithm doesn't chase creativity. It chases connection. Once you learn how to speak directly to the human heart behind every view, you'll grow faster than any hack or tool can promise. Excited. Picture this. A small channel posts one emotionally charged video, not even perfect, and it spreads like wildfire. Why? Because people didn't just watch, they felt. Size. YouTube's secret isn't exposure, it's emotion. When you master emotional resonance, your videos become magnets. And that's the difference between a view and a movement. But here's the twist. Growth isn't just about more viewers, it's about the right ones. The kind who binge your content, join your community, and buy into your message. You don't need 1 million people. You need 1,000 true fans who feel like you're speaking just to them. What if your next video could double your subscribers without a single ad, shout-out, or lucky break? There is a hidden formula working behind every viral success story you see on your homepage. It is not just about having better thumbnails or using the latest trendy music. It is something much deeper than that. It is a psychological spark that triggers the primal need to click, watch, and share. Hi there, my name is Bob, and our channel A Money Game AI exists to help YouTube entrepreneurs 50+ to learn how to master AI automation using proven strategies to build your channel and make real money. We help to make it easy for you to implement. Our main market is the United States, but we need to help protect the incomes of people from all Western countries and others where your livelihood and retirement is at stake. Our videos reveal proven strategies to build your channel and make real money, not just from YouTube ads, but through affiliate programs, AI-driven tools, and automation systems that can turn simple content into consistent income. See links in our video comments to learn how. If you're serious about mastering AI for YouTube growth, staying ahead of the latest tech trends, and transforming your channel into a profitable business, this is where you belong. Every creator wants growth, but very few understand that the YouTube algorithm does not actually chase creativity. It chases connection. Once you learn how to speak directly to the human heart behind every single view, you will grow faster than any hack or tool could ever promise. Picture this for a moment. A small channel with fewer than 1,000 subscribers posts one emotionally charged video. It is not even perfect. The lighting is okay, the audio is decent, but nothing is cinematic. Yet, it spreads like wildfire. Why does that happen? Because people did not just watch it, they felt it. The real secret of this platform is not exposure. It is emotion. When you master emotional resonance, your videos become magnets. That is the fundamental difference between getting a view and starting a movement. But here is the massive twist that most gurus ignore. True growth is not just about amassing more viewers. It is about attracting the right ones. These are the kind of people who binge your entire back catalog, join your community, and buy into your message completely. You do not need 1 million random people. You need 1,000 true fans who feel like you are speaking just to them. The real secret to explosive growth in the modern era of digital media is not luck, timing, or tags. It is a trifecta of emotion, automation, and authority. When your content strikes all three, the algorithm does not just notice you. It literally cannot ignore you. Right now, there is a massive shift happening on YouTube. You might have noticed that some of the biggest channels, the giants with 10 million plus subscribers, are seeing their views stagnate. Meanwhile, a new wave of creators over the age of 50 is absolutely crushing it. These are not professional filmmakers or Gen Z influencers. They are normal people who have cracked a code that the giants are starting to forget. In this video, we are going to break down why these mature creators are dominating and how you can apply their high-level strategies to your own channel, regardless of your age or niche. We are going to look at how they use life experience to build instant authority, why their pacing is actually better for audience retention, and how they bridge the gap between human connection and algorithmic efficiency. This is the blueprint for the next generation of YouTube success. The first reason why these creators are winning is the concept of lived authority. For years, YouTube was dominated by the aesthetic of the young and the energetic. We saw fast cuts, loud introductions, and a constant need for high adrenaline. But as the platform has matured, the audience has matured with it. People are no longer just looking for entertainment, they are looking for wisdom. When a creator over 50 speaks, there is an inherent level of trust that a 20-year-old struggled to build. They have lived through the things they are talking about. Whether it is gardening, finance, woodworking, or life advice, their gray hair or weathered hands serve as a visual signal of expertise. This creates a shortcut to trust. In the world of the algorithm, trust equals watch time. If I trust you, I am going to stick around to hear your conclusion. If I think you are just reading a Wikipedia script, I am going to click away the moment I get the information I need. These older creators are not just giving information, they are giving perspective. That perspective is what creates the emotional resonance we talked about earlier. They are not just telling you how to fix a leaky pipe. They are telling you why taking care of your home matters for your family's future. They are connecting the technical to the emotional. The second factor is the death of the over-edited video. We are living in a time of content fatigue. Every video feels the same zooms, the same sound effects, the same scripted jokes. Viewers are starting to develop a subconscious filter for high production value that lacks soul. The 50-plus demographic of creators often lacks the technical obsession with flashy editing. Instead, they focus on the conversation. Their videos often feel like a FaceTime call with a knowledgeable friend or a mentor. This raw and authentic style is actually what the current algorithm is rewarding. Why? Because it keeps people on the platform longer. When a video feels like a real human interaction, the brain processes it differently. We do not feel like we are being sold to or marketed at. We feel like we are participating in a dialogue. This leads to higher engagement rates in the comments section. If you look at the comment sections of these rising stars, they are not filled with fire emojis and generic great video messages. They are filled with long, heartfelt stories from viewers who felt seen. This level of engagement tells YouTube that this content is high value, which triggers a massive push to new audiences. Now, let's talk about the strategic ordering of their content. Many of these creators are accidental geniuses when it comes to narrative flow. Because they have spent decades communicating in the real world, they understand how to tell a story. They do not bury the lead, but they do understand the importance of build-up. They start with a problem that is relatable. They share their own failures, frankly. Then, they provide a solution that feels earned. This is a classic storytelling arc that many younger creators skip in favor of a 60-second hack. By stretching that narrative out and filling it with personal anecdotes, they naturally increase their average view duration. They are not using tricks to keep you watching, they are using interest. They understand that the tension in a video does not come from a countdown timer. It comes from the emotional stakes of the topic. If you are watching a woman in her 60s talk about how she saved her marriage, the tension is whether or not her advice will work for you. That emotional weight carries a viewer through a 20-minute video much more effectively than a jump cut every 3 seconds ever could. This brings us to the concept of the value loop. A value loop is when a creator delivers a consistent stream of insights at regular intervals throughout the video. The giants of YouTube often front-load their videos with a massive stunt, and then let the energy fizzle out. The creators we are discussing today do the opposite. They start low and slow, building momentum as they go. Every few minutes, they drop a nugget of wisdom that makes the viewer stop and think. This creates a psychological trigger known as variable reward. The viewer does not know exactly when the next big insight is coming, but they know it is coming soon because the creator has already established a rhythm of value. This keeps the brain engaged and prevents the viewer from clicking off to find something else. It is a subtle form of brain chemistry manipulation that works because it is based on genuine substance rather than gimmicks. Another critical component is the use of emotional waves. Great content is not a flat line of one emotion. It is a roller coaster of highs and lows. These creators use their life stories to create these waves. They might start with a moment of vulnerability, sharing a time they felt lost or overwhelmed. This creates a low point that allows the audience to empathize. Then, they transition into a moment of discovery or triumph, which lifts the viewer up. By cycling through these emotions, they create a stronger bond with the viewer. This is what we call building a parasocial relationship. The viewer begins to feel like they truly know the creator. They feel invested in their success. This is why these channels have such incredibly high conversion rates when it comes to newsletters, books, or products. Their audience is not just a collection of numbers. It is a community of supporters. But how do they manage the technical side? This is where automation and strategic simplicity come into play. Many of these creators are not doing everything themselves. They have learned that their time is best spent on the creative strategy and the delivery, not on the minutia of tagging or thumbnail testing. They use simple systems to streamline their workflow. They might film 5 videos in one afternoon when the lighting is just right. They use templates for their descriptions and basic layouts for their graphics. By reducing the friction of production, they ensure they can remain consistent. Consistency is the heartbeat of the YouTube algorithm. Many younger creators burn out because they try to make every video a masterpiece. These seasoned creators understand that done is better than perfect, provided the heart is there. They focus on the 80% of the work that drives 20% of the results. This efficiency allows them to stay in the game long enough for the compounding interest of the algorithm to take effect. We also need to address the shift in global demographics. The internet is no longer just for the youth. The fastest growing demographic on social media is people over the age of 40. These people have disposable income, they have time, and they are looking for content that reflects their own lives. When they see someone their own age thriving on YouTube, they flock to it. This is a massive underserved market that the giants often ignore in their quest for the Gen Z audience. By catering to this demographic, these 50-plus creators are tapping into a goldmine of loyal viewers who are much more likely to watch a video from start to finish. They are not scrolling through TikTok at the same time. They are sitting down with a cup of coffee and giving the content their full attention. This high-quality attention is exactly what YouTube wants to sell to advertisers, which means these channels are often incredibly profitable, despite having smaller subscriber counts than the giants. The payoff for the viewer in these videos is always structured beautifully. A payoff is the moment where the viewer finally gets what they were promised in the thumbnail and title, but it is delivered in a way that exceeds expectations. For these creators, the payoff is often a shift in perspective. You came to learn how to bake a loaf of bread, but you leave with a new appreciation for the slow pace of life and the importance of tradition. That is a massive payoff. It makes the viewer feel like they have gained more than just a skill. They have gained a piece of the creator's soul. This is the ultimate goal of any content creator. When you can deliver that kind of value, you are no longer competing with the giants. You are in a league of your own. You are not a content creator. You are a leader. As we look toward the future of the platform, it is clear that the era of empty spectacle is fading. People are hungry for meaning. They are hungry for connection. They are hungry for authenticity. The creators who are over 50 are simply leading the way by being themselves. They are showing us that you do not need to be a 20-something with a ring light and a script. You just need to have something worth saying, and the courage to say it honestly. You need to understand how to structure your thoughts so that they resonate. You need to lead with emotion, back it up with authority, and use a little bit of smart automation to keep yourself consistent. If you can do those 3 things, the algorithm will become your biggest fan. It will find your audience for you. It will push your message to the corners of the earth. So, if you are sitting there wondering if it is too late for you to start, or if you feel like you cannot compete with the massive channels that have millions of dollars in equipment, remember this. The giants are built on a foundation of trends. Trends change. People do not. The human heart has wanted the same things for thousands of years. It wants to be understood. It wants to be inspired. It wants to learn. If you can provide those things, you will always have a place on this platform. You do not need 1 million subscribers to change your life. You need 1,000 true fans. You need a message that matters. And you need the willingness to speak directly to the person on the other side of the screen. The rise of the 50-plus creator is not an anomaly. It is a return to form. It is a reminder that at the end of the day, YouTube is a storytelling platform. And the best stories are the ones that are lived before they are told. Now, think about your own content. Are you chasing numbers, or are you chasing connection? Are you trying to trick the algorithm, or are you trying to serve the viewer? When you shift your focus from what you can get to what you can give, everything changes. Your energy shifts. Your pacing improves. Your authority grows. You stop worrying about the competition and start focusing on your community. That is when the growth becomes explosive. That is when you start crushing the giants. Because a giant might have more reach, but they will never have the same depth of connection as someone who is truly present with their audience. The secret is out. Emotion, automation, and authority are the keys to the kingdom. It is time for you to pick them up and start building your own movement. The world is waiting to hear what you have to say. Not because you are perfect, but because you are real. And in a world of AI and filters, being real is the most radical and successful thing you can be. Start today. Speak from the heart. The algorithm is listening. The real secret to explosive YouTube growth isn't luck, timing, or tags. It's emotion, automation, and authority. When your content strikes all three, the algorithm doesn't just notice you, it can't ignore you.
If you're getting any value out of this video, please do us one favor to help you and smash that like button, subscribe and the notification bell.
In this video, we explore the innovative ways to automate YouTube videos using AI technology. By leveraging these tools, content creation becomes faster and more efficient, allowing us to focus on what truly matters, growing our channel and engaging with our audience. We cover essential strategies that can help streamline your workflow while maximizing your reach. Don't miss out on checking the links at the top of the description below to the free training and software we use to create this video.